welcome to My Midlife Moto. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Previously on My Midlife Moto. Good 2.5 hours away, 140 miles, by far my longest ride. A straight trade, as they say. Oh shit.
What? Oh shit.
Ah, well shit. You'll notice that I'm not on a different bike. Definitely not cold anymore. Kind of sucks. Did not go as planned. Things did not go as they were planned. The bike didn't start at first when I got there. We put it on the charger and started up. It's probably fine. Older fellow I was working with, George. What's up, buddy? Great guy. Just we're having a little bit of an issue with our titles. I have a Louisiana plate on this still. I'd probably need a notary and all these things. And I just was concerned that it might jam him up, really. This is the bike. It's a Triumph America LT. The LT stands for light touring. It has 865 cc's, making about 60 horsepower. That's about a 71 Newton meters of torque. I don't know what that is in freedom units. I don't know who Newton is. The bike, for having that size engine, seemed enormous. Way bigger than the Bonneville. It's the same motor as what's in the Bonneville, but this bike was huge in comparison. Apparently, you know, it's great on the interstate, it's great out on the highway. So I'm a little disappointed. I really was hoping to be headed back on a much more comfortable bike. I feel kind of silly now. But, I mean, I did have a good ride down here. I've done close to 200 already today. A little over 300 by the time I get home, probably. And I feel pretty good. It's alright. It's fine. So anyway, the ride home. Go over and hop on the interstate. I just think I'll get blown around by semis and stuff. I thought it would be easy peasy, but when we started filling out all the things and trying to figure it out, it started to seem a little more complicated. So the bike hunt continues. What's it gonna be? Back to the Softail? What have we checked out thus far? I had a line on a Goldwing F6B that I was pretty interested in. Maybe I'll go back up there. Maybe I'll revisit the Indian. I don't know.
And tomorrow the rest will be set in place. Am I over the top? Am I crossing the line? Am I losing my cool right down to the spine?
I wish I could impart to you how big the gas tank is on that, whatchamacallit, Triumph. It's probably almost as wide as these handlebars. And the handlebars pulled way back, and the bike stuck way out in front of you. It's probably like wonderful for like cruising, you know, but I don't know, is it for me? Goldwing. There's Goldwing in that little learned? What have I learned about myself? About how I respond to adversity? At least I had a nice ride, you know? Oh, look at this. Lovely little small town festival of some sort. Either someone lost their balloon or it is after me.
Make a move with a twist to the rendezvous. There is nothing to fear, nothing here will do. Am I over the top? Am I crossing the line? Am I losing my cool right down to the spine? Come and lift me up. Come and lift me up. Come and lift me up. Come and lift me up.
Stopped in here at Barbara Ann's place. Barbara Ann, thank you for the cheeseburger. Although I think it was a frozen one. It just got warmed up. Could be wrong. I could be wrong. It's pretty good though. I just need to stop and get off the bike for a minute. This last couple hours is gonna be a tough part. It's hot. Big baby when it gets hot, but it was freezing cold this morning. Like, I don't know what else I could have done if I all right there, partner. If I had worn the skull riders, I'd have been in trouble this morning. All right, let's do this. Final push. 2 hours home. Let's get it. Man, I was so thirsty. I stopped. Not the friendliest old place in the world, old Barbara Ann's, but got the job done. They had a little table I could chill out at for a minute. That was nice. A little roadside cheeseburger and chips. Cold drink. I feel like I should just hop on this interstate here. I mean, I'm doing 70 most of the way anyway. About 30 minutes left in the home stretch here. I am sure tired of riding. That's a true thing. It's not all bad or nothing like that, you know. It's okay. It's just not what this bike's designed for. I know that this isn't probably what you signed up for on this particular episode. After my little teaser, being such a little tease about, hey, I'm gonna go get a different bicycle. After, hey, I'm gonna go get a different bike. I really thought I was. I thought it was a done deal. It turned out it wasn't. It's nobody's fault. Make that perfectly clear. It's as much my fault as anyone's. Yeah. Once we see the river, that's when we know we're pretty much home free. Whew. My ass is tired of this seat. Grown man coming on YouTube talking about his ass like that. What's the world coming to? But I think it's possible to go get on the road and ride for 3-4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, being a lot more comfortable. Don't you think so? Well, at least I get to go sit on a beach for about 5 days. That's pretty great. Taking the camper down there. There's going to be some camper content. Fun stuff. All right. And as we roll across the beautiful Tennessee River, we're going to say goodbye for today. I think there's enough there. I think we're all a little bit sick of listening to me talk by now. I'd like to go post up on one of those islands and just sit around, splash my feet in the water. That would be nice right about now. And thank you for watching, liking, subscribing. Did I do the thing? Nah. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. This means we're almost home. Hurt? I think my cat got him a little bit. You okay? You good, bro? Having a rough go of it. Okay, let's get you relocated. Okay. He's been relocated to this massive tree right here. Looks like a lot of good hiding spots, and it's really dense, so I don't think my cat can get him. It wasn't the kitten, it was the other cat. Why do I have 2 cats? I don't know. They're not. Oh, look at this dude. He's looking for him. Whoa! Whoa! What is this? Nat Geo or Midlife Moto?